Welcome back, everybody. We are excited to bring you this episode, this special episode of the Navi River Journey Ride at the Pandora area Avatar at Animal Kingdom.
I love this ride.
This is going to be a full ride POV video, uninterrupted. We'll get a little bit of the line, we'll get a little bit of the end of the line, and we'll get the whole ride with no talking, no interruption. So you get a full experience of the Navi River Ride, and then we'll catch our reactions after the episode. So stay tuned. It's going to be great. It's a cool ride.
Can't wait.
Hello.
All the lines probably on it. Do you want to wait for the front of the...
That's the front. Yeah.
Welcome back, travelers. Please remain seated.
We just got off the Navi River journey at Avatar Pandora land in Animal Kingdom, and
I loved it.
what do you think?
It's so good. It's so beautiful. I love the music. It's relaxing.
Yeah.
I just love it. It gives me the feels.
I think my favorite part of it is the fact that if you're here during the daytime, you can go in there and get kind of a taste of what it's actually like out here at nighttime. So if you can't come here at nighttime because it closes early, which it does a lot of the year, you can actually go in there and you get kind of a taste of it. And it makes you really, they do a good job of making you feel immersed like you're actually on Pandora, and I love that. I think my reaction to it is very soothing, it's nice and cool in there for sure. So if you're looking for a place to cool down, it's awesome. The music is very good. I get the feels and the music. I have two complaints. My two complaints are, one, I wish it was much longer.
Yes.
Like
so
it
do
needs
I.
to be, because I feel like just when it starts to ramp up, like just when it starts getting good, and that's when the animatronic, the woman playing like the drums, the animatronic, just when it starts to really get tuned up, it's over. Like the first time I rode it, as I was riding, I was like, okay, we're getting into it and getting some of the screen projections and things, and it's really cool. And then you get to the animatronic, you're like, oh yeah,
Like,
and then all of a sudden
yeah.
it's over. So that's the only disappointing. And then the other second thing that I'd say for me is, I wish there were more animatronics in it. That animatronic is
She's
the
amazing.
coolest animatronic I've ever
Amazing.
seen in any
Yeah.
of the parks. It's like the fluidity and the
Yeah.
motion. And the really cool thing about that animatronic is they actually have a backup for when she goes down or when she needs
didn't know
refurb.
that.
So if they can actually remove her, do refurb on her or repairs, and there's a screen behind her where she'll actually be playing the drums in the background. So that's really cool, which is similar to Rise of Resistance. If you've seen that ride POV, we actually got the experience when Kylo Ren was down or under refurb. And so he was on the screen instead in sort of a TIE fighter attacking. So I like that they are able to do it to make it to where it doesn't interrupt the ride so much, but I'm glad when we get to actually see the animatronic because it is so cool.
She's beautiful.
So I'd say that's my review for Navi River Journey. I love it.
Love it.
I think it's an amazing ride. I wish it was longer. I wish there was more animatronics in it, but it's a great ad. And so that's our review. So again, thanks for joining us. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. Hit that little notification bell down there so that you get updates when we get new videos. People are always asking me, when's your next video? I'm like, well, it's every single day
Tomorrow.
we post a video. If you hit that notification, you'll know. So, and you can watch it whenever you want. So again, please subscribe, share, tell your friends. We really appreciate you. And if you see us in the parks,
Say hi.
come up and say hi to us. We love it. I actually love interacting with everybody. So thank you so much for joining us. The Noble Way.
It's the easy way.
Bye-bye.